Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process for your DELL P137, you'll need a few essential tools. Make sure you have a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel of the DELL P137. There are typically 10 screws that you need to take out, so keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful around the edges to avoid damaging any clips that may hold the panel in place. If you feel resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. With the back panel off, locate the battery connector. It's vital to disconnect the battery before proceeding to avoid any electrical issues. Simply pull the connector away from the motherboard using your fingers or the spudger. Now, focus on the display assembly. You will need to remove the 4 screws securing the display hinges. These screws are usually located at the corners of the screen. Once these screws are out, gently lift the display panel away from the hinges, being cautious not to strain any attached cables. If you notice any dirt or dust inside the casing, this would be a great time to clean it. Use compressed air to blow out any debris, ensuring your laptop remains in optimal condition. Remember, if you prefer, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify any underlying issues. Next, you'll need to disconnect the display cable from the motherboard. This cable is typically secured with adhesive, so use the spudger to carefully lift it away. Take your new screen and align it with the hinges before reconnecting the display cable. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Now, reattach the screws to secure the display hinges and ensure the screen is firmly in position. After this, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, eliminating the need for you to travel. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel of your laptop and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that it fits snugly and that no gaps are present. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your device. Finally, power on your DELL P137 to test the new display. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. It's a hassle-free way to ensure your laptop is functioning perfectly. By following these steps, you'll have successfully replaced the screen of your DELL P137. Enjoy your refreshed device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.